He is C. Blue jwst Baramy, Earth, our home planet. A tiny blue floating in the immense cosmic ocean. Here resides everyone you ever knew, every human who ever lived, every story that was ever told. It's where our journey begins. But as we zoom out, beyond our atmosphere, past the moon, beyond the familiar planet and the sun, we embark on an epic quest, a quest to grasp the true scale of our universe. The moon, our first cosmic step. As we leave Earth's embrace, the first marker on our cosmic journey is the moon, about 384,000 kilometers away, a distance so vast that if you were to drive a car at a constant speed of 100 kilometers per hour, it would take you over 160 days to reach it. And from this lunar vantage point, Earth appears as a fragile sphere of blues and greens cradled in the black void of space, a sight that puts our existence into humbling perspective. This is Earth, as seen from the moon. The sun, our life-giving star. Continuing outward, the next milestone is the sun, lying approximately 1 astronomical unit, AU, away from Earth, about 150 million kilometers. Light, traveling at a speed of 300,000 kilometers per second, takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to journey from the sun to Earth. If you were to travel this distance in a commercial jet flying at 900 kilometers per hour, it would take you around 19 years. This immense distance is a stark reminder of the vastness of space, even within our own solar system. The sun, a fiery behemoth, provides life-sustaining energy to our planet from this incredible distance. Mars, the red neighbor. Venturing beyond Earth and its solar companion, we set our sights on Mars, our enigmatic red neighbor. At its closest approach to Earth, Mars is about 54.6 million km away. However, this distance can stretch up to 401 million km when the two planets are on opposite sides of the Sun. To put that in perspective, traveling to Mars at the speed of a commercial jet would take upwards of 50 years. This vast expanse between Earth and Mars poses significant challenges for space exploration. The rovers and probes we've sent to the red planet embark on a journey that is not just far, but fraught with complexities due to constantly changing distances and orbital dynamics. Neptune, the edge of our solar neighborhood. As we continue our journey to the outermost reaches of our solar system, we encounter Neptune, the distant ice giant lying roughly 4.5 billion kilometers from Earth. Sunlight, racing across the vacuum of space, takes about 4 hours and 15 minutes to reach Neptune from the Sun. This staggering distance showcases the enormity of our solar system. Voyager 1, humanity's silent wanderer. Launched in 1977, the Voyager 1 space probe represents humanity's insatiable curiosity and desire to explore beyond known bounds. As of now, Voyager 1 has traveled for over 4 decades, covering a staggering distance of more than 22 billion kilometers from Earth. It's the farthest human-made object from our planet, a silent wanderer in the cosmic sea. In 1990, at the suggestion of the renowned astronomer Carl Sagan, Voyager 1 turned its camera back toward Earth for one final photograph. This resulted in the iconic pale blue dot image. At a distance of about 6 billion kilometers, Earth appeared as a tiny, faint dot in the vastness of space. Sagan poetically reflected on this image, emphasizing our responsibility to cherish and preserve our only home, a small speck in the immense universe. The Oort cloud, the final frontier of our solar system. At the very fringes of our solar system lies the Oort cloud, a vast, theoretical sphere of icy objects. It is thought to extend up to a staggering 100,000 astronomical units AU from the Sun. That's about 1.9 light years. This distance is so immense that it touches the edges of interstellar space. Scientists define the boundary of interstellar space as a heliopause, where the Sun's solar wind is stopped by the interstellar medium. This is where the influence of our Sun ceases, and the vast realm of interstellar space begins. The Oort cloud represents the final frontier of our solar system, a boundary zone where the Sun's influence wanes and the cosmic journey into the galaxy truly begins. Alpha Centauri, our stellar neighbor. As we venture beyond the confines of our solar system, our next point of interest is Alpha Centauri, the closest star system to our Sun, located about 41.3 trillion kilometers, or 4.4 light-years away. At such colossal distances, the AU becomes impractical. Astronomers instead use the light year, the distance light travels in 1 year. With current space travel technology, a journey to Alpha Centauri is almost unfathomable. For instance, the Voyager spacecraft, traveling at about 17 km/s, would take over 70,000 years to reach it. This immense distance underscores the vastness of space and the incredible challenges of interstellar travel. The Milky Way, our galactic home. Our journey now takes us to the grand scale of our home galaxy, the Milky Way. Spanning about 100,000 light-years in diameter, this vast spiral galaxy is home to hundreds of billions of stars, each potentially hosting their own planetary systems. Within this immense structure lies a tiny sphere, the human radio bubble, extending about 100 light-years from Earth. It represents the farthest extent of human influence, the reach of our radio and television broadcasts. Beyond this bubble, it's as if humanity never existed. Civilizations in the vast majority of our galaxy would be unaware of our presence, as our signals haven't reached them yet. The scale of the Milky Way is so vast that our entire recorded history is but a whisper in the cosmic wind. Intergalactic space, a cosmic ocean. Leaving the Milky Way, we enter the realm of intergalactic space. Here, galaxies float in a cosmic ocean, separated by mind-boggling distances. Our galaxy is part of a small cosmic neighborhood known as the local group, a cluster of over 50 galaxies spread across approximately 10 million light-years. The local group includes the Milky Way, Andromeda, and many smaller dwarf galaxies. Light from one end of the local group to the other would take 10 million years to traverse. The Virgo and Laniakea superclusters. Beyond the local group lies the colossal Virgo supercluster, an immense structure containing thousands of galaxies and spanning about 110 million light-years. Even grander still is the Laniakea supercluster, our true galactic home, which includes the Virgo supercluster and stretches over 500 million light-years. Laniakea, meaning immense heaven in Hawaiian, is a gravitational masterpiece containing the mass of 100 million billion suns. It binds together galaxy clusters and superclusters in a vast cosmic web of attraction. At its heart lies the Great Attractor, a mysterious region of space exerting a massive gravitational pull on everything within Laniakea. The observable universe and beyond. As we reach the limits of our cosmic exploration, we encounter the observable universe, an astronomical marvel stretching about 93 billion light-years in diameter. But how can the universe be so vast if it's only 13.8 billion years old? The answer lies in cosmic expansion. Since the Big Bang, space itself has been stretching, increasing the distance between celestial bodies. Some regions of space are now moving away from us faster than the speed of light, placing them forever out of our view. The true size of the universe remains unknown and potentially infinite. Final thoughts. We are left with a humbling realization. There may always be regions of space, entire galaxies and wonders, that we will never witness, as they retreat endlessly into the depths of the ever-expanding universe. Yet even from our small blue planet, with our limited reach, we dare to imagine, explore, and dream.